Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position, white to play and win, and black's pawn is moving downward in this direction. If black make it through and become a queen, there is no way we can win this, and if we end up with only a bishop, again there is no way we can win that, right? So you got to put these ideas into consideration before you analyze your moves. As always, you can pause the video and guess the move. Best of luck. Okay, welcome back. So if we play king to e4 to try and just get rid of the king from the square e5 so that we can play bishop to e5 to stop the pawn, that is a good idea. But the problem with this idea is black is going to push the pawn, right? So we have to move the rook somewhere. We can move the rook somewhere. It doesn't really matter along this rank, but black is going to promote to a queen. And like I said, now we are end up with only a bishop, and we cannot win this because a bishop alone cannot deliver a checkmate, right? So this is just a draw, right? So the other thing that we may probably try is playing rook to c2 in this position. That is really a good idea, pinning the pawn to the king, and on the next move we are going to play the move bishop to e5, and we are going to win the pawn, right? However, this idea doesn't work because black is going to play king to b3 and it is attacking our rook, and this is not possible anymore, right? We have to move the rook somewhere, and if we try to move the rook somewhere, black is going to make a queen, and again this is just going to be a draw or even losing. If we didn't play the right move, this is losing for us. So that is the idea, and we wouldn't have the time to play bishop to e5. Of course black is going to capture and we capture, and this is just a draw, right? So that is the problem with this puzzle. And king to e4 looks promising and logical, but that doesn't work, right? So what other options do we have? Well, we can actually play bishop like this to get to c3, right? But again black is going to push, and this is just once again similar scenario. Black is going to get to the rook like this. Now we have to capture the pawn, and this is just a draw, right? And the only winning move in this position is to play rook to c3. Well, what is the idea with this move? Well, now we are simply attacking black's pawn, and on the next move we would like to play bishop to c1. And the thing is, we can actually lose the bishop, right? With only a rook and a king, we can actually deliver a checkmate. So losing this bishop is not that a big deal, right? So you have to understand that as well. So now after we play rook to c3, if black pushes, we are going to play bishop to c1. And yes, we are losing the bishop, but we are going to get away with a win because we do have a rook, and a lone rook with the help of a king can deliver checkmate, right? So this is actually the correct way to solve. However, in this position black can play b1 queen without capturing the bishop. So what should we do in this position? Well, the first idea is to just lure the pawn to c1, but the second idea of bishop to c1 is to defend the a3 square, right? So we would play rook to a3 for the checkmate. This is absolutely checkmate. black cannot move anywhere, and this is going to be the follow-up, right? So this is what we are going to do. And some of you are wondering, what if black promotes here to a knight, right? That is really good idea because we don't have this checkmate, right? Well, if so, what we can do is simply move away with the rook, right? And all we have to do is simply capture this knight, right? So currently the bishop is just doing the defensive serve of everything, and we can actually get closer with the king like so and win the game. So the follow-up really would like this. We play here, I mean black plays king to b3, we play king to d4, and now we are defending the square c3 twice, and the knight is completely trapped. And of course we are ready to lose the bishop, right, for the knight. So black is totally lost, and slowly but surely we can get to the knight as well to capture the knight, and this is actually winning. And this is what would happen if black pushes the pawn. But what if black plays a king move, right? Like king to b2. Well, we can actually play bishop to d2, right? So now we are preventing black from moving, and we can actually play that move and win the game. So we can simply move away with the rook and play this move as well. It is completely fine, and this is the way to win the game. So this is the solution of the puzzle. Thank you for watching up to this point. I will see you in the next video.